Wait, did you know our planet is hiding creatures that sound more like science fiction than real life? From animals that can switch off pain like superheroes, to insects that farm just like humans. Today you're about to enter a world of shocking truths you've never heard before. Stick around till the end, because the last fact might actually change the way you look at nature forever. Fact 1. The axolotl, also called the Mexican walking fish, can regrow its limbs, its tail, its spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Imagine cutting your finger and just watching it grow back like nothing happened. Fact 2. There's a species of ant in Africa called the matabele ant that actually has a medical system. When these ants fight termites, many soldiers get injured. But instead of leaving them behind, healthy ants carry the wounded back home. They lick their injuries with saliva that works like antibiotics, saving almost 80% of the wounded. Fact 3. The planarian flatworm can regenerate its entire body from just a tiny piece. If you cut it in half, both pieces grow into complete worms. Some scientists even joke that a planarian doesn't die, it just multiplies. Fact 4. There's a shrimp called the mantis shrimp that can see colors we can't even imagine. Its eyes have 16 types of color receptors. Humans only have 3. Basically, it sees a rainbow we'll never experience. Fact 5. There's a fungus called cordyceps that infects insects, controls their brain, and makes them climb high before killing them. It's literally real-life zombie mind control. Fact 6. A species of turtle can breathe through its butt to survive underwater for months. Scientists call it cloacal respiration. Nature just calls it weird flex. Fact 7. The bombardier beetle can shoot boiling hot chemicals from its body as a defense. The spray is so explosive, it can kill attacking insects instantly. Nature made it a walking flamethrower. Fact 8. There's a fish called the parrotfish that sleeps inside a bubble of its own slime to protect itself from predators. Basically, it builds a slimy force field every night. Fact 9. The axolotl can regenerate not just limbs, but also its spine, heart, and even parts of its brain. Scientists study it because it could hold secrets to human regeneration. Fact 10. There's a jellyfish called the box jellyfish that has 24 eyes and venom so deadly it can kill a human in minutes. And the scariest part? It's almost invisible in the water. Fact 11. Male seahorses are the ones that get pregnant and give birth. They can carry hundreds of babies at once, making them the ultimate superdads of the ocean. Fact 12. There's a bird called the kakapo, a giant parrot from New Zealand that can't fly. Instead, it sneaks around at night and smells like sweet flowers. But that scent makes it super easy for predators to find. Fact 13. The mimic octopus can impersonate other dangerous sea animals. It can look like a lionfish, a sea snake, or even a stingray, depending on what predator it wants to scare. Fact 14. There's a tiny insect called the water bear or tardigrade that can survive in space, inside volcanoes, and even frozen for decades. It's practically indestructible. Fact 15. The pistol wasp has one of the most painful stings in the world. Victims describe it as pure torture that lasts for hours. But the sting isn't deadly, just insanely agonizing. Fact 16. There's a shark called the Greenland shark that can live for over 400 years. That means some of them were born before the invention of the telescope and are still alive today. Fact 17. The immortal jellyfish can actually reverse its aging process and start life over again as a baby. If nothing kills it, it could technically live forever. Fact 18. There's a bird called the lyrebird that can perfectly mimic chainsaws, camera shutters, and even human voices. Imagine walking in the forest and hearing your own ringtone from a bird. Fact 19. The cone snail looks harmless, but its venom is so powerful, it can paralyze and kill a human. Divers call it the cigarette snail, because if it stings you, you'll only have time for one last smoke. Fact 20. The Japanese spider crab has legs that can stretch up to 12 feet across. It's basically a real-life sea monster crawling on the ocean floor. Fact 21. Certain ants farm their own food by growing fungus underground. They even use antibiotics to protect their crops from disease. Basically, they invented agriculture before humans did. Fact 22. There's a fish called the stonefish that looks exactly like a rock on the ocean floor, but step on it, and its venomous spines can kill you in under an hour. Fact 23. Some dragonfly species migrate thousands of miles, farther than even the monarch butterfly. They're tiny, but they're among the greatest travelers on Earth. Fact 24. The electric eel can generate a shock of up to 600 volts, enough to knock a horse unconscious. It's literally a living battery, swimming in rivers. Fact 25. The honey badger is so tough, it can survive snake bites, fight off lions, and steal food from leopards. It's small, but it doesn't care about anyone. And that's just the beginning. The wildest secrets of nature are still out there, waiting to be uncovered. So here's your challenge. Drop your craziest fact in the comments. Subscribe if you want more unbelievable truths, and share this video with a friend who thinks they've seen it all. Let's see if we can blow their mind too.